So we could have let's assume that we have a CVP right here. CVP connected to the PG. Now, if I dial 3000 from the call manager, the call manager will route the call to PG. PG is going to send a request to the central controller. Now, from that perspective, we must create a dial number 3000 with call manager as a routing client because the call is coming from there. If I dial another number 12500 from CVP and that call comes into PG to the UCC, then I must create a dial number 12500 with the routing client CVP. So the dial number that you create, you have to identify your call flow. Where is the call coming from? If it is coming from CVP, the routing client has to be CVP. If the call is coming from call manager, the routing client has to be CM. Now, most deployment, the call usually come from the CVP. Okay, but it is also possible for the call to arrive from your call manager routing client. So whenever, sometime you may even have to configure both. It is also possible that you may have to configure 3000 from a both location. Why? Because you might be transferring the call, retransfer to an agent, or many other activity. So you need to understand your call flow. The call flow is the hardest part. Once you get through the call flow, it's pretty much straightforward. Okay? So typically when we configure our dial number, we choose where the number is going to come from. If all calls are coming from call manager, then the routing client has to be the call manager.